Federation of Civil Society Organization Focs Manipur has accused the Assam Rifles stationed at Borobekra in Jiribam district of orchestrating arson attack on a Meitei house that occurred on July 24th. In a press release issued today, Focs alleged that the incident was intended to target the Meitei community. They noted that the fire occurred just 500 meters from a police station in a subdivision of Jiribam district and in area under the protection of the Assam Rifles. Focs has called on the authorities to arrest those responsible and warned that the district police and subdivisional police will face consequences if they release the perpetrators due to political pressure. Focs has called on the district administration to deploy state security forces and remove the Assam Rifles from the area to allow the displaced villagers to return to their homes.